Hey everybody, this is Jake Jones here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today I'm going to show you guys my 5 favorite things on this NXT21. We're going to start out the bow. New for 2023, we have the hybrid bow. It is a pickle fork mixed in with a traditional bow. Gives it a really unique look. As we walk down the boat, you'll see we have the midnight black with the mica flake, as well as the Chromex badging. Gives this boat a very sporty look, very sexy. And on the back, another new model option for 2023 is the swim step. Integrates right into the swim platform, easy getting in and out of the boat, and stows right back into the swim platform. The last few things I want to show you guys about this boat, you have over here the standard clamping board racks. No more having to mesh with bungees, easy to use, keeps your board safe while you guys are underway. And then we have the Z6 tower. 2 clamps on either side. Tower lays down flat, super easy to deploy, super easy to stow. Thanks for checking out my 5 favorite things about this NXT21. If you guys have any more questions about the other options on this boat, feel free to reach out to me, Jake Jones, or hop on to MarineMax.com to check out our other MasterCraft inventory as well as our other great manufacturers. Again, give me a call at 682-282-9969. Help you guys find your next boat.
Here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, we are your one-stop shop for all things boating. We carry top brands such as MasterCraft, Aviara, Sea Ray, Premier Pontoons, and Crest Pontoons. We are here to guide and take care of you throughout the whole purchase and ownership of your boat. Whether you're looking for competitive in-house financing, needing gear from our fully stocked pro shop, or maybe you need to set up an appointment with our highly regarded service team, we offer everything you need for a great day out on the water. To check out other boats like this one, visit us online at MarineMax.com.